Ek, mela. Dinja Fears to Fathom, Ironbark Lookout. Raba installment fis-serja tal-Fears to Fathom. Naraw. Fears to Fathom, Episode 4, Ironbark Lookout. May 12. Tal-lum ħatkun bil-Malti. Hey, I noticed you were requesting story submissions while I was watching a YouTube play, Fears to Fathom Carson House. What I'm about to recount happened when I was 24 or so at the time. It feels kind of weird telling anyone about this because of the bizarre and absurd nature of the whole thing. But I feel like doing so might help me process my memories of it. I knew that sharing the story anywhere else would be a dumb idea because people would say I was lying. As I'm writing this was the scariest experience of my life. Bażikament dawn ikunu qishom stejjer fejn jirċevuhom, ma nafx ikun stejjer veru jew le. U jagħmluhom f'logħba. It-tlieta l-oħrajn hekk kienu wkoll. I'm Jack Nelson, had a small job as a park ranger in a state park. I was a fire lookout stationed in one of the largest forests in the Pacific Northwest. Miles and miles of dense forest managed by the Forestry Service. I had a salary that allowed me to make ends meet. But I couldn't afford to treat myself to restaurants, nice clothes, etc. My biggest accomplishment so far was being able to buy an RV for myself with a lot of financial help from my dad. That RV was the only sense of home I had at the time. This one time I was transferred from one outpost to another because of some official circumstances. It was a minor inconvenience to me though, since I lived out of my RV and liked traveling. Għal-min daħal issa għadna ħanibdew. I said a few goodbyes and I was off to the new location. It was about a 2-hour drive. 2-hour drive hemmhekk il-bogħod. Hawnhekk tasal bejra ħalu ieħor f'satej. Għandek xorti. Ħanibdew. WASD to drive. Mill-ewwel jisfak wara l-steering. Xi ġmiel. Ara. Nissu. Ma suppost naraw il-mobil waqt li qed insuq, jgħidu ħadd. I lived a very solitary life. It helps quiet my mind, keep the memories at bay. Għalmena dok hemm daħal issa dinja Fears to Fathom, Ironbark Lookout, il-4. I've always loved the great outdoors. Just being surrounded by nature gave me happiness. Ma xejx nara fuq il-mobil. Issa eżatt tieni ċans. Qegħdin ġew dawraw. Mela nibqgħu niżlin fil-wiet. I remember there's this diner while passing Roseburg. They have the best burgers in town. You have to try them out. I could have really used a good meal before the stuffing starts. Thanks, Kate. Alright, man. Diner, Roseburg. Alright, dak il-sabu għonek huwa Roseburg. Kaw il-pompa tal-petrol. Diner kind of talking about down, no? Alright. Għax naqra ta' parking ġbir. Ha. Welcome to Twin River Diner. How are you doing today? Good, how about you? Feel free to take any seat you like and I'll be right with you. Alright, thank you. Marra nsibu post bil-qeda. Għandek tajjeb hawn. Xi fuq l-ikel. Għodu, la marx noqtaw. Marx intihom daħi. Good evening, I'm Barbara. Are you ready to order? Yes. Cheeseburger with fries, grilled cheese sandwich with onion rings, meatballs with chicken nuggets, and more cheeseburger. Burger is the best in the West. Would you like anything to drink? Large Coke. Anything else? As well, thank you. The food out as soon as it's done. I said, no, if you need anything else. Sounds good, appreciate it. Run now. Da ma nibżonnu. Da laqqas. Dak laqqas. Jassaw, jassaw. X'qalbit muni għamil misa toilet. You were right. Hey. Best. Jdejna, importanti. L-iġen importanti. Għana daw, min jaf menta faħħom fl-art. Taħna ġejja. Taħna ġejja. Ħataqa fihom daw. Ħataqa fihom, ħataqa. Biex ħanibdew bil-burger jew bil-chips. Nibdew bil-chips. X'naqra ta' jessemmar hawn. Xejn jessemmar dan isma'. Il-boka biex nizzel kollox. X'naqra ta' ikla dik. Ġara. You enjoyed the food. Yeah, it was great. Would you like to have anything else? Or should I get the check? Check, please. Tajjeb, ta' veru kien, Here's the check, your total is $6. Do għam tip, do għam tip il-senjura. No problem. Laqna. Għan staw nġru kol, għanet. Nirabu mużika u tlaqna. Sabiħa l-grafika għajtaħħa. Sabiħa. Dajja ħallitu miftuħa. Inti tagħmilha waħdek. This place is pretty much my weekend spot. Isma' naqra. Ejja nkomplu l-vjaġġ.
broken, only got no homies, feeling like a ghost. She don't feel me anymore, she says I'm never home. I got no lights on, I'm stuck in my chair again. She never come home, she never will feel me again. I cannot differentiate your day since 2016, and it just pains me, babe. I hate to see that you miss me, because the weather's cold and I'm knowing life is fast. And you know I got your always on my ass. Fuck it though, when you're up, I'm feeling down, and when you're round, I'm feeling down. I'm more present than always in the universe. Please just stay my back.
It-8 ta' filgħaxija. Robna xi naqra jew. I want to include the location of this park. So now وصلنا وصلنا الأويل بيب لا أزيد البزة تشتمو Ironbark State Park. X'rid nagħmel? Missing. Please stay on the trail. X'rid nagħmel? Fil-kamra f'di? Għamu ħadd. X'sex qatatajtni minn. Naħħidak is-center minn hemm. X'konna ħnagħmlu wereżija. You scared me. Jien tajtek qata. Inti tajtni qata. May Lord have mercy. Użgur. Sattin jattak tal-qalb. Anyways, can I see your permit, please? The camper, the new transferred fire lookout. It's correct, I didn't know you were hiring this season. Hang on, let me check on that. Let's check, yeah. Għax taħmel ta' bib muraħdem tal-qalb. Suċċess taħmel. Okay, pal, you're good to go. You're staffed at Fire Tower 11. I apologize for the confusion. I was under the impression that the tower will have done stuff for the season, but here are your keys. Let me open the train gate for you. Fejmar. Anta minn ġol bib. Since you're arriving this late, you might also need this flashlight for the long hike to your lookout. Thank you, Billy. Be careful, take this. Welcome to Ironbark, pal. For our purposes, when you get to your tower, be sure to make your first weather report from your system, just so we know you're clocked in safely. If need be, you can reach out to Tower 12 during your stuffing. Nice enough, guy. He'll be your closest contact place. Okay, thank you. Jitla. Jala. Xfadal, hey. Just a piece of advice, don't travel any further than half a mile or so north of your tower. Okay. Buckets and bears. Nasty business. You got it? Alright. Ciao, ta. Mora taqqa xaħat tiħor. That's serious. Raqna. My bag is basket. Basket fejn basqammu. Ciao ġbejn. Nurru fit-torri aħna. 11 nofs, tajdix li għadna mixjien ta' starting to get cold. Għazguri l-ek satej miexi, satej u nofs. X'ma tajjiex. Fejn it-torri. Tower 11, Lazy Trail, aħna Tower 11. Tower 11, jew Tower 12, għax naf li zamma 12 ukoll. 11, għaddim għana din. Living in a fire tower is not a glamorous job. Imagine being out here alone for weeks at a time. It's not for everyone. Always ascended the stairs to the top of the tower. Okay. There was to look for fairs or anything. فما هو بدوتا طيب torri oħra. Importanti nagħlqu warajna. Kemm atmosphere the aroma of wood, giving me a sense of comfort. For basket. Okay. Generator, fejn il-generator? Fejn il-generator? Isfel? Isfel, ma rajtu. Jenu tira. Subġenerator. Ejdi, lanna. Rainbow. Rainbow 98. Forma ta' Windows. There even password. Password xie? Password. Password is Ironbark u tower number. Ġifiri Ironbark 11. Ejja. Għanna xilna. Din hija fi żmienna kien il-paper clip. Okay. Idan xirdu nagħmlu eżatt issa. Issa neħu għat-torċ. Spawn fire finder. West side of a pizza. Dak għalin rridu nagħmlu xi wieħed ir-reportu. I had to report. Service reporting. Temperature, wind speed, number of hikers, alright.
New guy, haven't gotten your name yet. What is it again? I'm Connor, Fire Tower 12. I saw your light turn on. You're never alone in these woods, but had to cover your area until you arrived.
thank you, I suppose.
So what is it?
What?
Your name?
Jack.
Anyways, what brings you to this towering paradise of ours?
Just looking for a change.
An experienced comrade. I can see why Mitch picked you. You got a fire going? Get her lit. The temperature's about to plummet. You don't want to sit through the storm shivering.
Okay. شغل النار.
I don't see the smoke. Did you light it up yet?
اديني نقرا شانسك
Wood
يعجبك.
stove should be around the entrance. Get her lit.
النيام موش النيام.
No firewood? There must be plenty in the shack. That's all Marley did. The staffer who was in the lookout before you. She was one gritty woman. Anyways, you better get that fire going. You don't want to sit through the storm. Gasoline must be in your cabin, but if not, you can always grab your supplies from the storage shack.
النيام فيها عن جوا جفيري. ما صارش انكسرت البانكات هنا هرقوها وعودي. النيام لا. اسفل. ننزل اسفل. تورش اي تورش. اتنفضة اللي هادوك مني وسق القضية. أو نو اليوم هو أكتر سبتو بيرسونا ده. Light it up. هيك عليه هيك. مش يخدم. بترول. لا مش مالارت. طيب وكل ساعة تعال نشوف فريق نايم. نريد يجوا يطفوا النار تاعنا. لا.
I see the smoke. Nice to see Tower 11 alive again. Did you report for the night yet?
أشوف يعني كويس أوي فوق هذيك. لا intelligence.
Here at Ironbark, you are required to report every night before signing off. You don't want to disappoint Mitch on your first night.
Alright, ما نشرد نصيبه temperatura والwind speed 46.4. والwind speed ما instrument اسمه التورش. كانش ديك الاداء عمونا. اوكي twenty knots. حفلة 20 knots. weather condition. Reported by ħajja. Best.
You copy, new guy? I think I'm gonna sign off for the day. Tower 12, signing off. You have a good night, new guy. Don't let the bedbugs bite.
Oh no, no. So, someone not do. Tlieta u nofs ta' filgħodu. Saret fuq għadi. ħajkonna nżlu isfel f'dat l-lam. Torċ fejni. Din it-torċ. Space to pee. Tajjeb, minn fuq għal-isfel. Dik hemm xi ħadd hemm isfel. Fejn. Wonder binoculars. Hey, what's up, right? Action jagħmel hemm isfel. Biċċa tiegħi. Tlaqna l-irdos, rġajna. Kemm hawn sabiħ. Xrobna kafè ara. Veduta wara. So Chadwick Lakes. L-MB to take photo. Għal fuq Instagram. Tiħar. Lesta l-kafe. Zek. Let's go job.
New guy, you copy?
Oh, ده اللي انقطع كيف ندخل الجدار تتيح.
Connor from Tower 12. You copy?
Grazie.
Tower 11. Do you copy?
Copy that, Connor. What's
Son
up?
of a bitch.
Jana.
Nobody bothers to get a camping permit these days anymore. You have eyes on the smoke north of your position?
North of your position. Look. Indicative of a campfire.
I need you to confirm. Do you see that smoke up north?
kollox miegħek, wait a second.
Spot that white smoke up north? It
Ewa,
appears to be
rajtu.
in the Lacey Trail sector, which is not a registered campsite. People like that don't bother to clean up after themselves. Fire risks are high this season. Mind checking it out?
Ma nixtieqx immur. Ma
Stay safe out
muru.
there. Don't forget to carry your bear spray in these woods, new guy. Over and out.
Grazzi. Torch. دخان فيكن يمكن جاي اي منه ليسي تريل منه Ocean bears an area. طيب I follow the turn to the smoke. Please تgħidix laħi wara x-chewers minn ximkien. No. Għandi l-sprayjen. Oh. No chance. فين جاي التسفير؟ نعم جاي التسفير. من هم؟ اخرج. عندي داين. برو تجي حزن عليك. بس مو خسيس هنطلع شو اللي عملته تشاو شمي good luck except li smajtu xaħat warajju. As I hiked back to my tower through the dark, I couldn't shake the sense that something was terribly wrong. My mind couldn't help but think what might have happened. Fem. Kien hemm majta, tisfira, raġel misterjuż moħbi. Tlajna l-fuq. U jiġri.
Loud and clear, new guy. I was just cooking myself some hot... Well, first, what's your status?
Some hot xiex, skont t-sajjer.
Are you kidding me? Son of a bitch. They never learn, do they?
Kazzat.
I'm sick of these bastards. It's unbelievable. This is the third time this month alone. Anything else you notice in those woods? foxes. They sound pretty much like a screaming lady at night.
Le, ma kienx volpi. Nafx
I don't know what
ismat.
you're talking about, new guy, but I heard from the rangers that a lot of campers have been flocking to that area lately because of the disappearance of those 3 kids.
Ah, tajjeb, issa
About a
tinsannaf.
month ago, they were hiking with their families. They went off the trail and just vanished. No trace of them since. Well, people have started spreading rumors that the area might be haunted by some entities. It's crazy, I know. You would think these rumors would scare people off, but apparently it's been the opposite. Sometimes, I only wish they were true. Well, at least now you know why Mitch had to staff Tower 11 urgently.
To be of service.
Anyways, thanks for staying vigilant. I gotta contact the authorities so they can take care of this commotion first thing in the morning. We can't tolerate these goons anymore. If they find them, I'll personally make sure they never set foot in this forest again. You be safe, new guy. Over and out.
Samurai. Too hungry. Tatna xi riċetta u. Din. Uncooked pasta, marinara sauce, li ħansibu għamdaw. Għana għamnek. Hanzati. Okay. Għawle. Għawle fil-fil. Pepperoni. Xiktar. Salami cheese. Oh, shit, da. Hey, ولا رسلنا. Weather report. To 1 knots.
New guy, you there? New guy. Just reported their ass to the authorities. Hope they can track them down and give them a piece of their mind. We'll keep an eye on things from here. You stay vigilant for such smoke moving forward. Speaking of duty, I don't see your name here. Did you better get to it? Mitch didn't sound to be in a very good mood today.
All right.
I know it's been a tough day, but you're doing an excellent job up there. Over 12, signing off.
All right. Look at 21 knots. So that 46.7. Yes, ماشي هو. In bed. Alright. نراو شي television. Jibla ħajjat. Nofs dish diġa. Full already, nofs dish. Some more nordo. Sta ninsa. Istess ma ċaħat tisaffar. Boards are for him to bed. X'boards għalma? Daw. Dawra. Sekk, s-summa naqdu. Sati u nofs ta' fil-ħodu. Stop. Dak minnu għemmek. Staħba u taħt. ċed, staħba. Saxiex, samma narqaf nerġa'. Felt a presence outside. Ma ħadd barra. Dr. Connor. Mux li ma tfalta.
Kids can be pretty creative with these pranks. You watch too many horror movies. Let's not get carried away, you guys. We're in the middle of nowhere. Alright, here's what we'll do. I'll send someone to check in on you tomorrow. For now, just lock your door, take a deep breath, and try to get some rest. We can't do much in the dark. It'll be morning before you know it. Try to get some sleep, Jack. Over and out.
That's it, rajnuna. Night 3. The next day I woke up not being sure if last night was real or just a dream. Planted to reason was a harmless prank by some kids. It was felt dark and there's something strange happening in those woods. 8:30 to 4 p.m. Ġevla ġejja. So back out of this. Either with a simple maintenance and around the tower. Mhux suppost qed narajn. Għandu natfollenti. Aħjar. Jisom fl-erżu. il-bib fejnu. Naħa l-oħra.
Hello? Is anyone there? I need help. Please, someone answer.
Any chance?
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
This is Jack Tower 11.
Thank goodness. I'm lost, and I'm really starting to freak out. I don't even know where to start. I went out to explore the area and lost track of time, and now it's dark, and I can't remember the trail back to my truck. I think I'm lost.
This is your current location. Għamina għara mistoqsija bil-sens jek għatjedlek li mitluf, ma jisaqsulu xorti.
I'm in the middle of the woods, on this trail surrounded by trees. Everything looks different at night.
Siġra vera. Għasti dar wahda minnam.
I thought shooting a few flare gun shots might get someone's attention, but no one's come yet. All it did was light up the trees and make everything look even scarier. I just want to find a way out of here. I remember passing a small stream earlier. I'm walking towards west right now because I remember walking east when I came here. Oh, thank goodness. I see it. I'm at a trail intersection now, but I can't remember if I should take the right trail or the left to get back to the trailhead. Can you help me?
I'm off, but any chance. Mela, ma rridux nidħlu fiha aħna dal-biċċa tax-xogħol. Aħna qegħdin hawn. Left jew right. Ma toħ il-bot. Left.
Hello? Are both of these trails... I'm just so anxious about making a mistake and going further away from the road. I'm at a trail intersection now, but I can't remember if I should take the right trail or the left to get back to the trailhead. I knew it! I thought it looked familiar. I couldn't have trusted myself with this decision. Thanks for helping me through this.
Mhux problema x'bin. Bil-lest.
I'm right here! I hear you.
Mhux jinta.
I hear your whistles.
I'm in my tower right now.
What? I see you behind the trees to my right.
It's not me.
You're freaking me out.
No hot. Żgħar made the Lord be merciful. With your tower supplies here, just the usual essentials. I'm going to pass out if I keep holding this. Alright. Yeah. What were you doing there last night? North, why were you there? I wouldn't screw around out there, pal. I was required to investigate. Oh, Lord have mercy. Nasty business out there, pal. Alright, tismax bing. Għanamlu ħaġa ċara. Il-kelma pal tibqax tużaxħa miegħi. Bobcats and bears. You be careful out there, pal. These woods aren't normal and there's stuff out there that would love to get a piece of you. Yeah. Not to mention you'll be quite a distance from help if anything happened. Absolutely, it's a busy job. I've been hearing you've been a bit on the edge. Everything alright? Lord have mercy. Best we don't dwell on these things, pal. Ballers, ħallar buħra. Besides, we can't do anything without the evidence. I think let everybody get going now. Just keep watch. I'm starting to be on myself, Mama. report state. Għanna rriħlu 96 knots 55.3. Naħseb ir-riħ. L-lum qabel Connor, biznik ħa. Għandek xaxiex teqret l-lum. Thank you tal-gift. Għargu għal-għuda. Minix nafda. Stove u rrit nerġa' ninżel. Nġib in-nar. L-injam għan-nar. Importanti żomm il-kalma. Daw il-logħba. Il-kalma essenzjali ħafna. Għax li tan-nar ta' kull darba xi ħaġa inkredibbli. Alla x'qata tani. Taf kemm nixtieq ngħidlek xorti? Taf kemm nixtieq ngħidlek xorti? Mhux se ngħidhomlok. Just gave me a heart attack, eżatt. Just l-luminous can make the mind play tricks on you. L-unika trick int għamiltu fuqi, u meta tgħidlek daqqa njama b'daw. Men int? It's gonna be this evening, call me Silas. What are you doing here? I need to be alarmed. I'm a worker. I was just doing some routine maintenance on the radio tower over there. Thought I'd say hi. The new guy everyone's been talking about. Nice to meet you. Usually work this late. Every Sunday, just trying to keep the communication lines open. We must ensure that the right message reach the right places, wouldn't you agree? Right, we're information about fire sightings. Absolutely. But fires are meant to burn, but some fires are meant to burn and no amount of prevention can stop them. Okay. Nature has its own plans, some things can't be controlled, no matter how hard we try. And sometimes disasters are just another form of cleansing, a way for the land to purify itself. I'll see you around, Silas. Have a good night, Jack. Hope you sleep well, but remember, Chief, your heart can lead to places you'd rather not go. Farewell, Jack. Ma jgħafx jisabni da. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Ħafna fis-sodda.
I see the smoke coming out of your tower. Don't tell me you're not in there. New guy, you there?
Tini ċans forsi?
You copy now. Finally. I've been trying to reach you for a while now. Where have you been?
Ran into Silas downstairs.
Ran into who?
The guy maintaining the nearby radio tower.
Is this about yesterday?
What do you mean?
You trying to yank my chain now? That radio tower's been out of service for ages now.
Tajjeb.
It was closed down years ago after a lightning strike fried its systems, and its repair cost was deemed too costly.
Tajjeb, ma tqajna mal-ħares li hu ħsiebu.
Its repair date was postponed until the next big funding, which is no time soon, according to Mitch.
Dan hu li just talk minn kien dak.
If what you're saying is true, it could be another one of those goons playing pranks on you. Knew your name. You think he's been listening?
Ma nafx kun li ħasra. Kull mistoqsija li qed issaqsini l-lejla. Ma nafx. I don't know.
Either way, disguising as a staff member is strictly forbidden according to park guidelines.
Ejja, x'tastajt inti interessaħ.
Next time you see him, get his information or take a photo. We need to figure this out. Anyways,
Nġlu
I'm seeing that you've already reported. I think I'm gonna hit the sack now. Tower 12, signing off. Over and out.
Għadda ma ġejx f'tiegħi. My hands were starting to grow with each passing day. So when I signed off that night, I told myself that it was just a change of environment that I needed getting used to. The strange as I'd seen so far in those woods was not enough to cause an alarm yet. Le, raġel misterjus fil-foresta, twerżiqa fil-foresta, raġel li għalilna li jaħdem fuq torri, u torri la mitfija snin. X'iktar? Dik l-iskanietru hemm li għamilna wara l-bieb. M'hemm xejn għall-allarm. U ninkwetaw, kollox normali. Nżommu l-kalma, however that would soon change. 2 nights later. 9:18 p.m. Toġax tibgħat
New guy, you got a minute? Well, good news. Just heard from the HQ. They say we've got a new system update on the computer. Mitch wanted me to let you know. They say it's an important security update. No more snoopers, I guess.
Okay. Type help. Checks for available system update. CHK UPD. Update. Data package code. Da. Mhux 4346084. Serviceable lines. Five 987 5487. Okay. So now up to date. Ġara. Torch fejn? Generator. Gas. Looking at one. Pay. Later. Time was flying by. Connor's generator was under maintenance, which meant they had to cover his area for the past 2 days. When there were no fires going, the only thing I could do was check on Connor twice a day. That might have been the only time I ever talked, and as I was talking to myself. 2:34 a.m.
We got another one. I know it's late, but you're gonna want to see this one, Jack. Jack. I need you to wake up. You copy?
Jo, ġiġara issa. U issa qajjemna issa tejta fil-għodu. Ma għada qajjemna aħna qorti jagħmel.
Jack, you copy?
Alright.
Okay, tell you what. I don't have the energy to do this right now.
Yeah.
I've been here busting my ass, working on that old piece of garbage generator. And now I'm seeing this. I'm seeing more smoke to my west. Looks like we got another camper. It appears to be in your sector. Campsite from your end?
ħanittawel ħanara.
You know what?
Yeah.
I don't have it in me to deal with this crap tonight. I'm gonna let you deal with this one.
Jack.
If they don't run away this time, take their photos and IDs. And if things get worse, don't hesitate to call HQ for help. Update me tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get some rest.
No, ħanġib binoculars fejn. Mhux x'inhu ma jagħmlu? Qed jaħarqu. Qed jagħmlu barbecue. Only thing that makes sense is to take evidence, ritratt. Jekk jagħmlu barbecue ma stidnunix. Space to take photo. Ekk għanedilkom ritratt issa saħan waħħalulkom. Ej. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, xaħat inkazzata jisom. شهد جيو شهد خلي جيو Niġri. Torch. U pepper spray. Għawjat. Tlabna. Niġri. Ġej warajna. Iwa ġej. Iġri, iġri. Ma nafx, ma sajx naġġel iktar. Qed immur fit-toilet.
Got another one. I know it's. I need help. You copy?
Ġaqsam.
Jack, you copy? Okay. I see more smoke to my west. See more smoke to my west. Appears. If I don't have, update me tomorrow.
See you later. Lesti, rabna. Issa, naqra. Ġaġej. Iġri lej il-karavan. Niprofa. Then I hit the gas and drove to the nearest ranger cabin. Out of breath, I radioed into an LTHQ. Look, Jack, we are gonna start crazy. Next morning, authorities allegedly ran a small investigation of the area, but of course they met with no signs of misconduct. You never believe my story as isolation. It's having my stomach, even though. Għax ma rajtom xi ritratt. X'urjhom xi ritratt. Għasek. Spiċċat. Kienet Fears to Fathom, Ironbark lookout. Suppost iżjed tard is-sena, naħseb issa f'Settembru ħireġ episod ġdid il-5. Se jċiżu l-ħakra. Nsibu x'ħansibu x'isima episode 5 li miss suppost da wish list hawnhekk. Fears to Fathom Woodbury Getaway. Suppost fuq stima u d-data meta ħirġa.